In this video, we are going to show you how to structure long-form content in Poppy AI. Now, I'm not going to give you the standard way of doing it. I'm going to give you a shortcut. This is a bit of a hack. So how do you do this? When you log into your Poppy dashboard, you're going to go to templates, right? And then just look for any long-form template that suits your needs. For this example, we are going to go with the Brian Dang YouTube script writing template, 50 million plus long-form views, right? So again, long form, perfect, right? So all we need to do is click on this template like so. It's going to bring us to show us what it's going to be looking like, right? Wait for it to load. There you go. Now, if you look at your upper right corner, it's going to say view only. For you to use it, click on use template like so. Now, this is going to give you a new board, a copy of this template so that you can edit and structure it yourself. So as you can see here, it is now a new board. And here you can just zoom in, right? And you're gonna say you're gonna see instructions. So as you can see, they have a text box here for instructions. Of course, there's an ad here. So this is pretty much how you do things. So just follow the instructions. For the most part, they do have instructions. You're gonna have your group. There you go, and then just zoom out to see the entire board again. So that is how you structure everything. You just need to look for the proper template. Especially if you're staffed for time, this is the fastest way to do so, and just customize it instead of just starting from scratch with a new board, right? So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.